Good morning. Lesson 10.2 on page 555 is a multiply polynomials by a monomial. Our objective: student will multiply a polynomial by a monomial and solve equation involving the product of monomials and polynomials. Let us look at our first example. Simplify negative 2x into bracket 4x squared plus 3x minus 5. Now, in solving this, what I would want you to do is you should put negative 2x. We should put it in bracket to make it very easy for us. So we have negative 2x multiplying 4x squared plus 3x minus 5. Now, when in so doing, it means that negative 2 multiplies that. It also multiplies 3x, and it also multiplies negative 5. So we're going to have negative 2x in bracket multiplying 4x squared. I put them in a square bracket. Then the next one becomes negative 2x multiplying 3x. I also put that in a square bracket plus negative 2x multiplying negative 5, and which makes it very easy. So in multiplication, the coefficient would multiply. Negative 2 times 4 will give us negative 8, and x times x, the law of exponent, we add, so x to the power 3 plus, now negative 2 times 3x will give us negative 6x squared, and the last one plus negative 2x times negative 5 will give us positive 10x. Now, in simplifying, we can see that we have addition and subtraction here, so it means subtraction is going to take over. So our final answer becomes negative 8x cubed minus 6x squared plus 10x, and this is written in a standard form because with the highest degree, the second, and the last. Let us look at our example 2. That simplify the expression. So in that 3 multiplied 6, and that also multiplies that, and we have this negative 2 multiplying and negative 2 multiplying 11. So a quick one, we're going to have 3n times 6n cubed will give us 18n to the power 4, and 3 times negative 4 will give us negative 12. Now n to the power 2. Now we move to the next one. We have negative 2 multiplying 9n to the power 4. We're going to have negative 18n to the power 4. And negative 2 multiplying negative 11 will give us positive 22. So when this is done, we group like terms. So we can see that this has an exponent of 4, and this also has an exponent of 4. So in grouping them, we have 18n to the power 4 minus 18n to the power 4, then followed by minus 12n squared plus 22, and that gives us 0 minus 12n squared plus 22. So our final answer written in the standard form is negative 12n squared plus 22. On example 3, a word problem, an architecture. The world's largest basket is a building. Each face of the building is in the shape of a trapezoid. Now a trapezoid is a trapezoid. Now a trapezoid can be drawn as that, having a triangle and a rectangle, or two triangles on both sides of a rectangle. Good. And the longest side can be A and the shorter side can be B, or in another way, and we have the height, and this side could also be A, B, and we have the height. Now the area of a trapezoid is given as A is equal to half multiplied H multiplying A plus B. So, and A has been given and the dimension for B has also been given. So in substituting that into the area A, we are going to have 1 over 2 height. So we're choosing one. Let us choose this. So we have A. What is the A? A is giving us H plus 90. So H plus 90 plus B, which is 2H plus 84. Now in solving for this 2 first, the addition, we are going to have area, which is 1 over 2H. So if we're adding H to H, we have into bracket, we're going to have 3H plus. Now 90 plus 84 is going to give us 174. Good. And in that case, we would have to solve them. Now let us continue on the sheet. So in continuation, we are going to have area is equal to 1 over 2H 3H plus 174. So now we multiply. So area will be half H times 3, which will give us 3 over 2H. Now H will give us H squared plus half times 174, which will give us 80. Yeah, 87H. And that is the area of the trapezoid. Now we move on to solve equation with polynomial expression. So we have negative 16p minus negative 2. Good. So in the same way, there is a distributive 2 multiplies p and 2 multiplies 3, and on this side 3 multiplies 6p and 3 multiplies negative 30. So our equation now turns to minus 16p is equal to minus 2p minus 6. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Then plus 3 times 6, 18p. And 3 times negative 30 gives us negative 90. Then in that case we group like terms. So in grouping of like terms, we could see that we have negative 2p and 18p can be solved. So we have negative 16p is equal to negative 2p and 18 will give us 16p. Then we have negative 6 and negative 90 will also give us negative 96. So this to that will give us 96. Good. And now same equation, we subtract 16 from both sides, minus 16 from both sides. So this goes away and we have negative 32p is equal to negative 96. We divide both sides by negative 32 and our final answer p is equal to 3. Let us look at our last example and we call it a day for multiplying polynomials. So in the same way, distributive, negative 2p multiplying that, negative 2p multiplying 9. Sorry, q multiplying 8q and q multiplying 15. And negative 3 multiplying that, negative 3 multiplying 6. So in that case, we're going to have negative 8q. I used to write my q like that, squared, plus 18q, because negative 2 times negative 9 is positive 18, which is going to give us, now this will also give us negative 8q squared plus 15q. Then we move to the next one. We have negative 3 times negative 4 will give us positive 12q, and negative 3 times negative 6 will give us positive 18. Good. Now in this we group our like terms as well. So we can see that 15 and 12 can be added together. So we're going to have negative 8q squared plus 18q is equal to negative 8q squared. Now 15 and 12 will give us plus 27q plus 18. And now this is an equation, so we subtract negative 8q from both sides. Q squared from both sides, so it all goes away, and we're left with 18q is equal to 27q plus 18. So let us continue from this page. We have 18q is equal to 27q plus 18. So this is an equation. So minus 27q from both sides, minus 27q. So that goes away, and we have negative 9. Yeah, negative 9q is equal to 18. And we divide negative 9 on both sides. Sorry, negative 9. So final answer should be negative 9. Q is equal to negative 2. And that brings us to the end of equations of polynomials. Thank you for watching, and if you have any submission or any clarification on what we have done, you can send us through the portal and we'll gladly respond. Thank you.